Hello, educator colleagues. My name is Jen Jump. Teacher-created materials recognizes the difficulty many teachers face trying to support the varying proficiency levels of the language learners in their classroom. Is this a struggle you are facing? If so, I encourage you to take a moment to sign up for an exciting free webinar that will provide thoughtful, research-based, and practical strategies for delivering high-quality language instruction in your classroom. I'm an academic officer with teacher-created materials, and my primary role involves working with teachers to make certain all students are successful when learning new content and standards in all subject areas. Prior to joining teacher-created materials professional learning team, I served as an administrator in the curriculum department for 2 large urban school districts. In this role, I was able to support teachers of English learners using teacher-created materials, English language development resource, Language Power. As an academic officer with teacher-created materials, I am now able to offer the same support on a larger scale with the second edition of Language Power. I work with educators from Philadelphia to California to support all students in learning all 4 language domains. If you want to learn more, again, please join me for my webinar, Authentic Opportunities to Build English Language Proficiency. During our time together, we will explore ways to build context and understanding for language learners through rich texts, visuals, and audio experiences. I will share strategies that allow students ample opportunities to talk about what they're learning, thereby building their English language proficiency. Finally, you will walk away equipped with the scaffolds necessary to support students right where they are. I look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget to follow the link below. And remember, it's free!